Let's divide 4e et batu. Math adventurers. If you're having fun learning with me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our awesome math quests. Let's get. Alright team, let's start our division adventure with the first divot of 4e et. We're going to use the first divot, which is 4. Need divots to carry down this term. How many terms does 2 fit into? 4, you got it, 2 terms. Let's check our work. 2 times 2 is 4. Now we subtract. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Easy peasy. Awesome, we found the first part of our answer. You're doing fantastic. Time to bring down the next divot to continue our quest. Here we go with the next part of our problem. We've got our new number ready. We bring down the et from 4e et, making our new number et. We're using one div, it here. Now how many terms does 2 get into? Et, think of your 2's terms tuples, it's 4. Let's multiply to deck. 4 times 2 equals et. Subtracting now. Et minus et leaves us with 0, we're almost there. You nailed it, we're on the home stretch, look how far we've come. And that's it, we've used all the divots, we have our final answer. So 4e et divided by 2 equals 24. Great job, everyone. We did it. We conquered dividing 4e et by 2 using long division. Remember, every step, even the small ones, brings us closer to the answer. Keep practicing and you'll become a long division superstar. That's all for today. Keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video on Let's Stud. Bye for now.